Hello folks, just Dave here at Primo RV Center. We have a beautiful park model here on sale today, and it's a 39 MKTS 2023 that we have here. It's a perfect time to upgrade your trailer. This is it. It is on sale. It's a 40-foot trailer that we have here. And again, absolutely stunning trailer. We're going to show you all the nice features. We'll start here on the outside with the two marine speakers. Nice big powered awning with the LED light strip. As you can see, you can change all the colors. Pretty cool. Everybody likes that. And then you have a second door here to the bedroom, also to a spot here for dogs, cats. And then we have the 4 stabilizer jacks, a spot here for a TV outside. Nice, beautiful, big patio door, bringing in a lot of natural light. Also to the easy grab handle, getting inside the trailer. And right to the right of me here, we have the living area. It's great big windows too as well. So we have our dinette here, sitting for nice big windows. Then we have our recliners here right in the living area with the nice big screen TV here. And then we have the fireplace. Now the fireplace does give off heat too as well. Then we have the entertainment unit, which is a JBL, a very good quality unit, and lots of storage space here for games, toys, books. Then we have the USB charging station 110 jack here, and also here too as well, and then the control for the fan. And over here we have the trifold couch, which is really handy when you have family sleeping over or friends. They're not overtaking any of the bathroom area or the kitchen area, and you're not going to be waking anybody up when you wake up early to make coffee or breakfast. Everybody gets a chance to sleep in. Now, lots of pantry space here too as well for food. And when you go camping, if you're like me, I like to eat, so we bring lots of food. And then over here we have the microwave, 3-burner stove with the glass insert, and then lots of drawers here too as well. And again, another USB charging station, 110 jack for the Keurig machine, coffee machine. Then we have the hood range that's vented outside too as well. And then we have the nice big island here for prepping food. And then the undermounted sink here too as well with the beautiful faucet. And then more storage on this side too as well. 110 jack here. So lots of space. And then we have the residential fridge and freezer. Again, lots of space for food. So when you go out grocery shopping, you're not running back out again. And again, lots of food to go camping. So you're stocking up so you don't have to keep going back to the grocery store. And then over here we have lots of counter space here too as well. We are wired for solar. More storage space here, cabinetry. Right here we have lots of space to store stuff too as well. And again, if you want coffee machines or blenders or whatever you want to do at your campsite, there you go. And again, nice big patio door here, bringing in a lot of natural light and airflow too as well. And then over here we have the bathroom. An absolutely stunning bathroom here. We have the beautiful shower with the glass doors, big skylight, bringing in a lot of natural light, ventilation. Then we have our medicine cabinet too as well with the sink and lots of space around the toilet. And then back here we have the master bedroom. Lots of space to store clothes in here. And then we have this beautiful desk here. You could do your work out at the cottage. Lots of drawers, or you could use it as another place to store clothes. Then we have our reading lights over here too as well. Then over here we have more storage space over here. So there is a spot here for a washer and dryer. Now you're going to need a 50 amp hookup to run those, but if you want those, you can use that, or you can use it as extra storage space. We have the fan on the roof too as well for air circulation. And then you can see the 110 jack here for CPAP machines, and also to charging your laptops and stuff. Another big window here too, bringing in a lot of natural light, and the door. Awesome airflow here in the master bedroom. So this is the 39 MKTS that we have on sale here at Primo RV Center. It is a 2023. It's one of our top selling floor plans for park models. Has lots of nice features, beautiful trailer. So folks, if you're looking to upgrade your trailer, give us a quick shout. Or if you're just buying your first trailer, I'd advise you this is it. This has got everything you need for a park model. So give us a quick shout here at Primo RV Center. We'd love to sell you a trailer. Just give us a quick shout.